Holy jeez, it's definitely been quite some time since the last proper vlog. I hope this finds you well. And for those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Daniel, aka Dan's Beard, and on this channel there's going to be quite a bit of hair and beard tips and tricks, and I try to integrate other parts of life outside of the hair and beard. And with that, welcome. As of late, I've jumped on the TikTok bandwagon, and let me tell you, it's addicting, and it's definitely an understatement. And aside from that, I've been doing a lot of snowboarding, and it's been good, and I hope it's been good for you as well. It's kind of weird. It's like not seeing a friend in a really long time. Going off on a tangent, I tend to do that from time to time for those of you that are new to the channel, so I just want to forewarn you and apologize in advance for that. But today's vlog, let's get into that. I've been getting a lot of questions on TikTok about my daily beard routine. Now, I mean, not that specific question, but there's been a lot of questions that deal with the daily beard routine. So today I'm going to walk us through what I do personally. Now, with that said, this is my daily beard routine. If any of you out there have any feedback or input or recommendation, suggestions for us, please leave that in the comment section below and help out the community. So first things that I do is I take a shower, and immediately after I take a shower, I grab a brush, and specifically I grab this brush right here. Let's see if we can get this in focus. And nothing fancy, but what I do is I go ahead and I start kind of puffing out the beard in places that tend to dent. And when I say dent, I mean there's sometimes if you don't touch your beard, there will be creases at your jawline or at your chin line. So I try to be proactive with the situation, and I puff it out on both cheek lines and then also under the chin. And I mean, I wish I started from scratch, but I had to get everything all set up for the video. So I haven't put any product in it, which we'll be getting to that soon. But as for now, just know that immediately after I get out of the shower, I first towel dry, and then I use this brush and puff it out. And then after I do the puffing out of the beard, I grab another brush, or a comb actually, and this is going to be more of a precision comb. Here, let me get this focused. Is this focused? There we go. And again, nothing fancy. I think I got this for like $5 off of Amazon. With that said, I'll link, I think, most of the stuff that I show you today in the description box below. So I use this, and I use this precision comb on the mustache. So I do that to, again, be proactive with the situation when it comes to eating, and it helps keep my mustache out of my mouth. So again, I split it right down the middle, boom. And then I also go to the sideburns, and I pull those down on the side, and I'll do like an additional little touch up, being that I have it in my hand. So that is that. So this is a precision comb. I mean, technically I don't think this comb is a precision comb specifically, but it does work as a precision comb. If you don't know what a precision comb is, you can Google it or look it up on YouTube, and it'll show up. They're more narrow and thin than this. Is more curved. Anyways, look it up on Google. Precision comb. Next up, beard oil. There is a ton of beard oil out there to choose from. This is the Beard Struggle Valhalla's Gates. This is their newest scent. I definitely like it. Boop, boop, boop. I probably lost focus on that. So what this is for moisturizing the skin. And what this does is it helps prevent itchiness because it moisturizes your skin. And that's a common misconception, because a lot of people think that it's just for the beard hair. No, it actually helps with itchy skin, dryness, flaking. So if you do suffer from those problems, you might want to look into beard oil if you haven't already. And so we put in here, and again, with the beard oil, make sure that you are rubbing it into your skin, because that's the primary purpose of beard oil. All right, next up we have beard balm. Again, I'm sticking with the same scent. This is Valhalla Gates, and again, this is from the Beard Struggle and Beard Balm. The reason I like Beard Balm so much better, not so much better, but better than the beard oil, is because this has beeswax in it. And the beeswax, it helps in regard to a form factor. And what I mean by that is when you use this Beard Balm, here, let me rub it in my fingers. When I use this Beard Balm, I use it on the stash, and this helps it helps with the shape, and it helps keep the hairs together so it doesn't look all scraggly. And then from there, I'll use it in my beard, and it gives your beard shape. It makes it look not as unruly as if you were going to just let it set naturally. So that's what I like about the Beard Balm. And then after I'm done putting the Beard Balm on the mustache and in the beard, I'll go ahead and, if I'm not wearing a hat, I'll put it in my hair, and it helps my hair not look frayed. That's pretty much my day-to-day. From time to time, I will use a heated beard brush straightener. I have one of those, but I don't have it right next to me. I should have been prepared and had that. But I'll use that from time to time if I want to change up the look and go with a straight beard. But for the most part, I like a beard that looks natural as opposed to just straight flat down. And to each their own. That's why Baskin Robbins has 31 flavors. I just choose to keep my beard, I like it to have more of a natural look. But again, there are times when, let's say I'm suited and booted and it's a black tie event. Sometimes if I'm wearing a tux or a suit, I will straighten out my beard a bit. But again, it's not too often. Now with the beard oil, it does help to use a boar hair brush because that's gonna help distribute the oil evenly throughout the beard, in addition to you're already applying the beard oil to your skin. So a boar hair brush, tons of out there. Again, this one is from the Beard Struggle, and it does come in quite handy. Alrighty, so that's gonna do it for today's vlog. I hope that you found it helpful. And again, for those of you that do have additional tips or tricks or some feedback for us, please let us know in the comment section below. But as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this thumbs up and maybe even subscribe if you aren't already. Until next time, peace! We out.